How you guys doing today? In this video, you're going to learn how to make money online so you can start earning passive income and finally live the life you deserve.
One excellent way to make money at home that you can begin right now is to become a virtual assistant. Depending on the company or person you work for, virtual assistants can earn anywhere from $8 to more than $60 per hour. Some feasible monthly income estimates for general virtual assistants range between $500 and $800, while virtual assistants with specialized skills such as graphic design, copywriting, SEO, web development, and other such specialties earn even more, generally between $800 and $1,500. However, the pay rates for virtual assistants vary greatly around the world. The advantages of becoming a virtual assistant, and online jobs in general, are innumerable and far outweigh any minor disadvantages. The following are some of the advantages of working as a virtual assistant. 1. You can work from home, a cafe, a park, or anywhere else with internet access. 2. You establish your own rates and work on your own flexible schedule. 3. You have the freedom to choose who you want to collaborate with. 4. You don't waste time commuting to work, and you can enjoy the luxury of spending more quality time with your loved ones. 5. You save money because you don't have to pay for transportation or spend money on business clothes and restaurant meals. In a nutshell, you are your own boss and work on your own schedule. Skilled virtual assistants earn more than general virtual assistants who haven't developed specific skill sets. For example, if you work as a virtual assistant for an online store and have some store administration or copywriting skills, you will be paid more than a general virtual assistant because you know how to 1. Create enticing product descriptions. 2. Update product information on the store's website. 3. Design website banners and product promotions, and 4. Select and incorporate high-quality images in store web pages, among other things. That is why it is essential for every virtual assistant's career success to be dedicated to continuous learning and to pursue excellence in learning new skills. When combined with work experience, a high level of competence creates a winning combination. The difference between a beginner-level virtual assistant and an expert-level virtual assistant is significant, both in terms of employer expectations and, consequently, the pay they demand. It stands to reason that the greater your professional experience as a virtual assistant, the higher your rates.
I hope you guys found value from this video. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button to show your appreciation. Also hit the subscribe button so that you can stay updated with new video contents that can change your life. My name is Shaun Randall. Pleasure to be in front of you guys here. Take care.